In this video, I will show you a free video generation platform. We'll see what it can do, and I'll demonstrate its capabilities. Let's go. The platform is equipped with the ability to convert text into video. You can also upload a photo and turn the image into a video. With Magic Brush, you can select any area of the image and animate it. You can also upgrade lower quality videos to higher quality. Now, let's see how the platform works. And by the way, there's also 3D model generation available here. Let's take a look at the work of the platform's users and then try generating something ourselves. At first glance, everything looks very high quality. The videos seem quite good, and I would say that these videos could be compared to the level of Kling AI. But let's try generating something ourselves to see the result. There are 3 aspect ratio options for generating text in videos. There is also the possibility to customize motion strength. The platform offers 2 types of generation models, but the second option takes longer to generate, though the result is likely to be better. Now, let's check what happens. Let's start by trying to make a remix of a flying fish in the forest and see what kind of result the platform produces. Guys, the video quality is quite acceptable, especially considering that the platform offers exclusively 3 generations. Let's try making another remix, and then we'll create our own crowds. For the test, I decided to choose a dog on the beach watching a crab. The video quality is good, but the dog's movements turned out a bit flawed, and the remix didn't go perfectly. However, you can always try to create a new generation, especially since it's completely free, and you don't have to worry about losing credits for an unsuccessful attempt like on many other platforms. Now, let's try generating a popular prompt from Sora. Let's try generating a popular prompt from Sora for the test, where a girl is walking through the streets of Tokyo. Honestly, the result didn't impress me at all, and I wasn't satisfied with the video quality. The girl's movements weren't very natural either. However, let's not forget that the platform allows for free generation, so you can always try regenerating the prompt to achieve a better result. Now, let's try generating a few images using the same prompt and see the result. I've left the link to the AI generator in the description and comments. The image generation was successful, and I'm quite satisfied with the results. The quality is good, the generation is fast enough, and the best part is that everything on the platform is free. There's also 3D model generation available. I'm not sure how long the platform will continue to offer free generations, but so far, I haven't noticed any limitations or found any paid services on the site. I left a link to the platform in the description and comments. Thanks for watching.